Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XSPA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. And really just to summarize this in trading jargon, this was a gap and trap that turned into just a full-blown pump and dump. And when I say pump and dump, I don't mean that towards the company and imply that they're doing anything sketchy or shady. I'm making that comment based solely on how the price has behaved. So from a price behavior, from a price action standpoint, I'm just not quite sure how else you would classify this. I mean, the price closed right there on Wednesday, opened up right there. So started off with a very, very nice gap up. And then to give credit where credit's due, after the opening bell rang, made a very impressive movement all the way up there. And then that's where things just got absolutely savage because there was a bunch of poor souls buying up around here. Then you can see the price came down here and then, acted like it wanted to maybe bounce. And then that candle right there, that's where the pump and dump, in my opinion, comes into play, because that 30-minute right there was just a big old, flush to the downside, which does now bring about an interesting setup. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you've seen crazy charts like this, they can tend to, not guaranteed, but, I don't think anybody with experience would be shocked to see this thing all of a sudden, snap back up or make some sort of worthwhile bounce to the upside, direction, especially when you factor in that right now these lows are sitting right down here around these previous lows at the $1.33 mark. So you can see back here in the history of the chart, $1.33 actually produced a nice bounce to the upside. And once again, the price stopped going down right around that area. So while nothing's guaranteed, it's at least a valid and logical thought to have. You know what? Maybe there's going to be some sort of bottom. Let's see if history can repeat itself. Now, this could all be wiped away very quickly if the price all of a sudden comes back down there and blasts through there. But as of right now, it is stabilizing around that area. There is a track record of it bouncing from that area. So it's looking like Friday is going to be very interesting. So let's see what happens with that. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.